Beverly Bryan and attorney Joe Zarzer stood by a portrait of late Bill Bryan as they announced the filing of a lawsuit against Dr. Thomas Shegnovsky and others. Bryan passed away on August 21st, 2024, after his liver was removed instead of his spleen.
The lawsuit obviously relates to the decision to move forward with the surgery, which obviously was a train wreck, and then the cover-up.
Zarzer tells News 19 he and his team pulled surveillance video from the day Bryan died. Zarzer says the lawsuit will target any possible efforts to cover up the fatal mistake. I did reach out to the hospital requesting an interview on this matter, and they responded with this statement. Our organization does not discuss active litigation and has no comments to provide. Beverly Bryan is still mourning her husband.
It's very disheartening to think that the hospital, you in a place that you think you're safe and people are caring for you, a hospital would not be trustworthy.
She tells News 19 that she hopes the lawsuit will bring changes that will help other families. Now Shegnovsky has surrendered his medical license in both Alabama and Florida. In Muscle Shoals, Whitney Leibel, News 19.
You know, this actually happens more often than people realize. The same theory of negligence applies in medical cases the same as they do in any other. There's a duty, a breach, causation, and damages, and this will be put in front of other doctors who will be basically witnesses in this case and say that that doctor's care fell below the standard of care for any other doctor in that community. That's pretty straightforward. It's kind of like so obvious that, you know, if you're removing the wrong organ as a doctor, you're messing up pretty bad. You know, the liability for something like that is enormous. I mean, the damages on something like this for a wrongful death case when you go to the hospital and have the wrong organ removed, it's going to be a big number. So it's actually a great case. Personally, we don't handle medical malpractice cases. You know, we just stick to regular negligence and insurance claims and things like that. But most of the medical malpractice claims need to be with a specialist who handles nothing but medical malpractice claims, because they're highly technical. You have to work with nothing but doctors and be very, very good with your medicine. So, but they're difficult cases. So this one seems pretty straightforward, but it's a tragic outcome. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.